NotebookLM is one of the best research and note gathering tools out there. We'll go over how you can create all these assets and easily export it to Google Docs or Google Sheets. If you're chatting with your notebook in the middle section here, after each chat, after each response, you'll have the option to either save note or copy. You can manually copy the content to your Google Docs, but if you create one of these assets, like a report, for example, and it gives you this output, you don't have to just copy it. But if you look in the studio, there are 3 dots for each of these assets. If you click on that, you have the option to export docs. This is what it brings forth, and then you can edit it, you can customize it. As you can see, Google Docs is able to pick up the sections for the document outline. Here, if we save our chat as a note, you can also export it to Google Docs. You can do the same when you create data tables from your sources. Here's our data table that it created, but we can also export it to Google Sheets. Then we can edit the format and use Gemini to create charts from this data. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.